Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Crystalized Mutation in Fish It game on Roblox Crystal Adapt update. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get the Crystalized Mutation, you need to extract glowing crystal, and you can extract the glowing crystal when the glowing crystal spawn in the crystal depth, and you need to have the pickaxe. And to extract the glowing crystal, I've already made a video guys. You can check my previous video. And after you extract the glowing crystal, you will get the cave crystal. You can go to your inventory and you can equip this cave crystal. Okay, like this, and then you can tap anywhere to activate the cave crystal. And then when the cave crystal has been activated, it will appear right here. As you can see, crystallized mutation is obtainable. With this cave crystal, you will have chance to get the crystallized mutation. So after you activate the cave crystal, you just need to do fishing, and then you will have chance to get the crystallized mutation. Okay, and I've already got the crystallized mutation. Wait, let me show you. Let me show you the fish I catched, and it has crystallized mutation. Okay, this one, as you can see, my moonfish has the crystallized mutation. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the crystallized mutation in Fish It Game of Roblox Crystal Depth Update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!